Whoa, why did I do that? It's good at Normal Squad. Sitting here about to watch a video by Biaheza. I think that's how you say his name. Biaheza. But, you know, he usually has some pretty good content and he usually has some pretty good challenges. So I figured I'd watch one of his videos right now. And before I watched it, I was like, let me turn on the camera and do a reaction video to this. So that's what I'm doing right here, right now. So yeah, let's get into it. But before we start the video, please hit that little red button down below that says subscribe. That I would really appreciate that. And please leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down, you choose. And then let me know what you feel about this reaction. Let me know how you feel about Biaheza, if you're a Biaheza fan, if you've ever heard of him. Let me know what you feel about this video. So this video is titled Day Trading Bot Doubled My Money. And I had watched one of his previous videos where he was just getting into the EA bot thing for day trading with Forex. So check it out. Let me know your thoughts below. But without further ado, let's get into this video.
Bought and sold currency pairs to hopefully have it make money automatically trading the Forex markets. If you haven't watched that video,
it'd be a lot cooler if you did.
But the outcome was that the first bot we set up took our $1,000 account and turned it into $600 overnight, so we lost 40% on that. However, the second bot we set up and gave the remaining $600 we had on the account, we let it run, and a day later our account was hovering around $1,100, meaning that the bot essentially...
This was a video that I watched. I watched the video before this. And I ain't even gonna lie. When I seen this video, I was like, yeah, like, I don't know, that would be decent for you to just have a bot that just flips your money overnight. But I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. Like, is that risky? Is it believable? No, that sounds a little bit too easy to me.
Double the money in like 24 hours. So that was absolutely insane, but we only got to test the bot for like 2 or 3 days. So in this video, I want to follow up, explain what happened after I uploaded the video, since I had a lot of people contact me afterwards and explain how the bot works. I was also met with a little controversy after the upload, so let's dive right into all of this. Where do we...
And please let me know down in the comments below how to say his name. I think it's Biaheza. I believe that it's Biaheza. It might be Biaheza, but I think it's Biaheza.
Even begin here, I think, with a nice cup of Joe and a Costco Danish. Seriously though, I want to address a couple of things about that last video, a few questions that sprung up, if you will. So let's start with the mild one. I had a lot of people say I should have used a program called Bootcamp that allows you to run Windows on your Mac, rather than just going out and buying a Windows laptop specifically for running the robot in the video. Fair point, I probably could have done that, but from what I have heard, that's not going to be a very,
frictionless
experience, as it can somewhat lag, and keeping my main workstation laptop plugged in and running for over a week straight just does not seem like a good idea in terms of battery health. I was also using a lot of sketchy websites and downloading files for them, so I definitely didn't want to do that on my main computer in case of viruses or whatnot, which actually perfectly segues us into the much bigger question of why did I not link the second profitable bot in the description of the last video? Turns out there was a lot of people who wanted the name of the bot, which I mean is fair, it doubled the money in the video, but not only did I get bombarded with emails, DMs, and comments about
Let me know down in the comments.
There was also a lot of people claiming that the video was rigged, that I was trying to keep it to myself.
Way out of pocket.
All kinds of wacky theories because I did not disclose the bot name. So let's get into that. One of the reasons was similar to why I didn't want to install anything on my main computer. I was using some weird websites. I don't want to put a link in the description that I don't know exactly what it's for, and then be the reason that you guys get hacked or have some virus on your computers. But the other thing was we only tested the bot for 2 or 3 days, and in that time we almost doubled the money. To me, that felt a little too good to be true. I mean, here I was building dropshipping websites, practicing marketing, not sleeping for the last 2 or 3 years, hustling in e-commerce to make that coin, when really I should have just been doubling my money every day in my sleep. I wasn't buying it. I figured there's no way this can be true, but I'm going to continue testing it, and if it's true, then I'm going to make a full video and show the whole process. But until then, I didn't want to drop the link because someone could watch my video, see that I doubled my money in like 2 days, go all in with their savings and use the same bot. But what happens if they lose that money? I kind of put them onto that bot, so although legally speaking, I'm not responsible, entertainment purposes only, baby, I would still feel kind of bad, so that's why I held off on revealing the bot name. And the other massive important question was how I got this clean clean fade while everything is locked down right now.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Now, but that brings us to what happened with the bot the following days after the video.
What is the biggest and most profitable market you can think of?
Make sure you watch the ad.
It was live. So on Friday, it continued fluctuating around 1,100 in total equity, but at this point, all of the open trades combined equal to around negative $1,000. But that was being balanced out by the positive trades the bot closed. So I decided to close all of the open trades in the account, which would leave our total at 1,100, and restart the bot the following week. Since leaving the trades open over the weekend when the Forex market is closed is pretty sketchy, as it can open at a crazy price and wipe out the account. So I ran a script that was able to automatically close all of them before the market closed. Now come Sunday afternoon, the market opens, things are moving nicely, the bot is executing trades, and I go to sleep that night, wake up the next morning, check my magical money doubling day trading robot setup, only to find out that we lost around 90% of the account overnight, like an $800 or $900 loss.
I told you, it's too good to be true.
You're teasing me, you naughty. So this bot doubled our money in one night, then lost it all on a different one. If you're into those kinds of odds, boy, do I have a game for you. Given that this bot played out this way, I'm glad I didn't link in the description of that last video, because people could have saw the 100% gains, put some money into it, and I mean, why would you not? But they would end up blowing the entire portfolio the way I did, and they might not have a YouTube channel that funds their gambling trading. Anyways, that Monday, I put out an update on my Instagram to explain the situation, and now that I was able to show both sides of the story, I also revealed the bot name, because at that point, you saw me lose 90% of the portfolio because of the bot, so if you want to use it, that's on you. But then I also posted a poll asking if anyone knows of any other bots that have worked for them in the past. Because here's the thing, there was people in the comment section of that video and even members of the day trading community who reached out to me after I uploaded and basically told me that, hey, the type of bot you're using, risky business, it can work for a couple days, even maybe a couple weeks, but then blow your whole account in a single night. Which, hey, what do you know, they weren't wrong. And a lot of the same people also said that there are bots that can work, but none of this 100% returns in the day talk. So if they called me blowing my account, then maybe they're right about there being profitable bots out there, which is why I put up that poll on my Instagram, because I want to continue the search for a profitable bot. But it's currently Tuesday. You guys did not disappoint as expected. Most of the replies were in fact trolling. Someone suggested I use the Garrisol bot, which is the one that lost 90% on Monday. But the two most popular suggestions were, first of all, R2-D2, which is a fictional robot from Star Wars. And the second one was an actual day trading bot by Blue Edge Financial called Titan G7. So I'm here on their website and they have an affiliate program, which is maybe why it was suggested so many times. I'm not sure, but in order to get access to this Titan G7 bot, yeah.
Let me say something. A lot of people that I know have been hitting me up telling me to get into Forex. Mind you, I'm in e-commerce. I'm in real estate. A lot of people are hitting me up to get into Forex for this reason, because they have a affiliate account or whatever and they want me to join their team or whatever. And the more people that join, it boosts them up or whatever. I get it. I understand you can make money in Forex, but I don't got the time to sit there and watch the market all day. So let me know if I'm wrong. Am I wrong? Like, you got to sit there and watch the market all day, and if you don't, then you could lose your money. To me, it's like gambling. I don't gamble with my money. I have to make my money. You know what I'm saying? So let me know. Am I wrong? Or should I try this thing out that everybody's talking about?
You actually have to buy Blue Edge Financial's full Forex course. They don't just sell the bot separately, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to go ahead and cop the $300 course to get access to the bot. And this website says that the bot trades upon an indicator called the bank's secret indicator, which...
And I believe a lot of people that have been hitting me up, they're with the same program or affiliate thing. I believe it's the same one. So let me know. And don't just tell me to join it just because you're in it. You know what I'm saying? Be honest. I'm being honest with you, so you can be honest with me. I would appreciate it.
Bank secret indicator sounds a little fishy. The course also includes some sort of tax fraud section, so that's pretty neat. But I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this thing. It's apparently supposed to be a long-term bot, so it's not gonna open up like 1,000 trades in one day like the previous bot we used did. And with that, I transferred another $1,000 worth of Bitcoin into the brokerage, from there into the MT4 account. And at that point, I went ahead and went through the purchasing process of this bot. It turns out it wasn't $300, but in fact $147 per month. I paid for the first month, which gave me access to the client area. Here they had instructions on how to install the bot using a virtual private server. I just wanted to use it on my laptop, so they actually had an option for that where I download the bot onto my computer. I installed it into the data folder of my MT4 program. There's 7 total bots and they are each currency pair specific. So I set them up according to the parameters on their website, and I chose the most aggressive option, which I believe means that every trade is going to be executed using 1.5% of your total account. And with that, I let it run. Now there were actually a few other bot suggestions from the Instagram poll, so I'll go ahead and put some of them up in case you guys want to do your own research on some of them. I'm not associated with the one I installed or any of these on the screen. Please exercise caution and use them at your own risk.
The results are in.
This might be the most reliable way for
I'ma skip the
traders
ads.
to cash in on huge gains like 800.
Watch the ads.
And before we get into these results, a couple of things here. I actually had someone message me and explain how the bot that blew the account on Monday works, and apparently it's just based on the RSI indicator, which from what I've heard is not really the move. Also, there was people who brought up the point of why would anyone sell a bot if it works? With other online businesses, you have to put in a lot of work to make them successful, so a course type of thing does make sense, but if you have a bot that is actually profitable, can't you just keep on compounding your money and growing it exponentially without much effort once it's set up? So that's an interesting point. I'm curious to see what you guys think about that. But my main purpose with this video was almost like a cautionary type of thing. I feel
I'm
like
an e-commerce guy.
And show the other side
I don't
of
know
marketing, since I only got to show
all
the
the
positive
Forex
side
talk.
in the last video, which isn't really fair, but it's the way the video played out. And as we saw earlier this week, it's not a secret way to get rich overnight. And after 2 days of using this new bot, I can tell this one is a lot more tame, which is nice, but we didn't make money. We have a $6 loss trade closed, and the open trades are currently hovering around negative $20. But I do like how this bot is slower, not as risky, so I'm probably going to put some more money into it because I feel like this one will not as likely blow the entire account in a day. And I'm paying like $140 a month for it, so I kind of need to have more money on the line so I can make more than what I paid for the bot monthly if I continue doing so. But it's not very action-packed. I don't know. I'm going to try to test it for a while before I make any kind of update on it, since so many people requested it. I feel like there's some hype around this bot. I might continue updating you guys on all of this on my Instagram, so I don't have to dedicate a whole nother YouTube video to it. Although maybe I will with one way down the line when I have a lot more data gathered from this bot. So this last like 1 minute of the video is just a quick channel update. I had a lot of questions come up on that Instagram.
I'm gonna end the reaction right here. The reason, I know, like I said, my channel is e-commerce. I also do real estate as well. But the reason I wanted to do a reaction video to this is just because, like I said, a lot of people have been hitting me up about Forex, and I've been kind of researching a little bit more, trying to understand how Forex works. So if you have any suggestions, put them down below in the comment section. I'm trying to understand Forex. I try to understand anything where there's money involved. I like to make money, if you didn't know that already. But if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you go over to Biaheza. I'm gonna say Biaheza. Let me know, or go over to Biaheza's page. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And on my page, please hit that subscribe button. It don't do nothing. It's just like if you were to follow someone on Instagram. I post here daily, and I'm here to bring you guys value, bring you great content. So let me know what you think of these videos. If you like them, if you don't like them, let me know in the comment section down below. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all that. Amar_shy. 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 On Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everything. So look me up, man. Let me know what you feel about these videos, and I'm out.